it works. There.
What?
Hi.
Excuse me?
He just said hi. I fixed the dad here.
Oh, cool, man.
Oh, we're working on my dad's 57 Chevy. So,
What's with this?
let me get some. No, I had to because I hit myself in the head with them. Got a big old, I nailed my head. Really, look at that. I nailed that hard.
Oh my god.
That hurts.
Ow.
Yeah, that hurts. Anyway.
Dad, you look yellow.
Do I?
Do you have jaundice?
Do I look yellow?
You look yellow.
Oh. Okay. There. Yeah, we're working on the, you can take it if you want. I'll just follow you on.
Okay, guys, welcome back. It's my channel now, not his. This is my grandpa's car. It is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air.
We've had it on the channel once already.
It is a two-door hardtop.
Yep.
Or
It's not a Bel Air, it's 210 hardtop.
210 hardtop. Wait, why does it have Bel Air emblem? You have Bel Air emblems on it.
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Oh, I lied. Don't listen to me.
There's no piece of metal in there.
Yeah.
There's no metal right here.
There's no trim somewhere.
Right here, no trim.
No trim in the middle.
And the chrome doesn't go up to here, it stops back there.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have the wide strip here.
Anyway.
Anyway.
So basically,
We're putting a radiator in it.
he's putting a radiator in it.
Dad's gonna get a radiator.
I just got here.
Put a radiator.
Look at this stellar killer engine. Ow.
Yeah, watch your head, yeah.
Edelbrock 4-barrel. Wait, yeah, 4.
Yeah.
Look at that. So great.
So we're gonna, it's got the original power steering on it, and we want to put power brakes on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this, and we're gonna put a power steering unit down there, and then we're gonna put a power brake unit on it. It has discs on it right now. It was converted over a few years ago to disc brakes.
They did a crappy job.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah.
But anyway.
They also messed with the gap or something.
No, it brings the wheel out of 7/8 of an inch.
Yep.
But
Which is not cool.
this thing's got, what, 30,000 miles on it?
No, let's look on the dash.
No, I don't think the dash is correct. I don't think we flipped it over. What does it say on the dash? I don't know. Open it up. Here.
As you can see, there's a button. Hold the door. As you can see, there's 34,000 miles on it.
Yeah, Dad must have not flipped it over anyway.
34,639.
Battery's disconnected. This thing's bone stock inside. You got it? Just hold it.
I just flashed myself. Anyway, here's the interior. He has a teddy bear.
Old man thing.
He has dice, and they're pink dice.
They're
Even
not
though
pink.
yes, they
Oh,
are.
they are.
Even though he says the car isn't pink.
It's
Canyon coral. We get it.
And you never wait.
And white top. Anyway, so very stock. They built this crap from the ground up.
We did.
There's a whole entire album on it, like photo album they have in the back trunk.
Yeah.
It's really freaking huge. The album, the car. Car's just giant, ginormous. Where's the fly that you guys sealed into the paint?
Oh, God. It's over here, I think.
It's so...
I'd have to look for it. I don't know if Dad got it out. It's over there. I think it's over there. No, it was a fly. It
was a wing or something.
No, it's a...
No, it totally...
It was a spider leg.
Yeah.
Stuck in the clear coat.
Oh,
And
it got scuffed right here.
It's right up there. It's over there in the corner, I think.
Corner?
Yeah, you'll see it.
Funny story. My dad painted this car.
Yes,
I wasn't
it
even
did.
thought of.
Right here.
Oh.
No, maybe it's right here. No, it's not. That's not here. I'll show you. Let me get that thing. There's a trunk.
It's very dark in here. Yeah, here's the trunk. Very roomy. You could fit like 3 bodies back there.
It is right. I know Dad would be able to tell you. I can't see it anymore. Oh, it's right over here. Keep going. Right there. Right there. See the 2 legs?
Right here?
Yeah. That's it right there.
Those look like scuff marks. That's dirt.
Oh, is that dirt? Oh.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's spider legs in the clip.
Anyway,
They
so
never came out. They
basically
never
every single time we visit, he points the leg out because he's just like, ugh, pisses me off.
It's just
Picky. Dad, how many times did it take you to repaint this car?
We didn't have
Because
to repaint it.
no, not repaint it, but like you messed up on some and then you sanded it back down and then you repainted it because you didn't like how it looked.
No, the hood striped on me.
Yep.
So we had to sand. We had to resand and we base coat clear cut it basically. And then that was about it. The trunk did the same thing. It striped on me and I had to fix that. We did this all on a rinky dink. Oh my goodness. A homemade shed. It was nothing. It took us, I don't know, how many years did it take us to do it? From 90,
I wasn't born.
from 93 to 95.
I wasn't even thought of.
You weren't.
Julie wasn't even thought
No,
of.
93 to 95, all those are getting old.
Ooh, ew.
The gaskets, they just don't last forever. I think it's 20.
Oh,
20.
yeah.
What dad say, 20? Well, 95 is 30. We got down in 95, so it's 30 years old. Restoration. They do that.
That's so cool.
So when they open up,
Yeah.
it pop up, and
Yeah.
they're supposed to close it. It never has since we've owned it. We just leave them. The other side works.
Doesn't matter.
But it's a cool car. But anyway, my dad's getting a radiator for it because he wants one, an aluminum one.
New power brake
And
system.
we're gonna probably try to put power brakes on it and change the power steering to an older version of it down there.
Yep. In the gap.
It's not stock anymore. It used to be bone stock, carburetor, everything. And over the years, my dad has done different stuff to it, like the Eldrock. It doesn't even have the original intake manifold on it anymore.
He souped it up.
Not really. It wasn't.
I mean,
my
it
thing.
looks nice.
Oh, it looks good. I guess the horns don't work anymore.
What?
Yeah, I need steering
No
wheel
beep beep?
I need to fix that too for him.
Wait, does it not beep beep?
No, it won't because the battery's disconnected.
What?
Yeah, he put a.
Lame.
So, yeah, it's. Don't get in my face. So, yeah, it's. Anyway, it will probably be showing.
Stop flashing me, man.
Oh.
Yeah, get
It will
that out.
probably be. Yeah, there we go. We'll probably have it done in a couple of weeks after my dad orders a radiator, and I got to find out the bracketry for the motor for the power steering pump.
Whack. But yeah.
I got the old generator at home, believe it or not, for it.
It's in a box, isn't it?
Nope.
No? Oh wait, is it just the one sitting under your workbench?
Underneath the workbench.
Yeah.
Yep, that's the one I've been carrying around for 30 plus years.
It's because he's a hoarder.
I am very much a hoarder. It's
Yeah.
terrible.
It's great.
Anyway, there's the line that we're going to put in a train. Dad might just leave. It doesn't leak.
Where?
But-
This one?
oh, yeah, the other thing we took out was this.
What'd you
What
do?
guys do with it? I don't know. Anyway, we took out the brake adjuster thing down there. So Dad said it was leaking. It's a I don't know what you want to call it. It's a splitter breaker adjuster.
Oh,
You see what things are? Yeah, I don't know. There.
the disconnect.
Yeah, I
If
took
you
them out.
zoom in on YouTube.
I took him out. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. We got crap everywhere. I gotta clean this stuff up and I gotta go home.
Yep.
So we're out of here for now. Talk to you later. Bye.